So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, today I will going to unbox the MI Home Security Camera 360 degree 1080p video recording. You can see here is the camera. If you want to buy it, you can go to description and from there you can buy it. The price of this is 2700 rupees. This is good for your house security. You can also set it up at the main door of your house. And let's see the box first. And so guys, the video is being shooted by the tripod of 370 rupees that I recently unboxed. If you want to buy that also, the link is in the description. And MI Home Security Camera 360 degree 1080p all motion detection alert, high definition video, infrared night vision. So guys, it does have a night vision talkback feature, innovation for everyone. So guys, you can see the boxes here and the MI. So guys, now let's check our unboxing knife and open the seal first from here and now from here I think, and the seal is out, and now let's open it. So guys, here is the package. Now let's open it. I think like this, and it gets open like this and like this. And here is our user manual. MI Home Security Camera 360 degree 1080p user manual MI. And you can see here is the user manual, no need to read it. So guys, let's keep it aside and let's take it out. I think we have to press this to take it out. We'll use the knife. I don't think that knife. So guys, now let's take it out. I think we have to press it. No, like this. Okay, here is it. Here is the adapter of the camera from which the camera will work, and some to plug in your camera like that only, that accessories, you know. And here we'll keep it aside, and here is the main camera. Now I'll take it out, and here is the MI camera, and this to keep it safe I think, and the empty box we will keep it aside. And these were the accessories available in the box: the charger, the adapter, the cable, the micro USB cable I think, and here is it is to make your camera set at a place, you know, to make it permanent. If you don't want to make it permanent, you can keep it just like that. And now let's take out the camera. I think we have to cut the seal. Now the seal is out I think, and we will easily open it. And here is our MI Home camera of white color, and here is the camera MI. You can read, you can set it up by reading the user manual. Here is the power on button, here is the speaker, the microphone, and this is the MI camera. You can see these are the accessories. So guys, let me show you how they were packed like this, and now we will keep it back. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye.